Today I want to show you my 1000 watt laser rifle. This 1000 watt invisible beam can blind you in a nanosecond, so it goes without saying, do not try this at home. Always wear the appropriate wavelength safety glasses when handling lasers. I searched YouTube for hours, but it seems that not a single YouTuber has ever made a 1000 watt laser gun. The only comparable handheld lasers are similar to the last one that I made, which use blue laser diode arrays from projectors. This new gun is made from a 1000 watt infrared laser pump. These devices have come down in price by about 4 times in the past 3 years. Watch how quickly it can punch through 4 stainless steel razor blades. It's not just a toy, it does have some surprising uses. All of the footage you have seen so far, I'm using lenses for distance focusing. Without a lens, the power density decreases, but when it's 1000 watts, it's still a flamethrower. With that said, the divergence on these are terrible. These laser pumps are not meant to be used like this. They are built for fiber laser welders and cutters, where multiple pumps are combined into a single doped fiber. This transforms this laser beam into another wavelength, which is much higher quality and better for cutting metal. As you can see, even without a lens, it can still melt a beer can. Here I have the beam expander lens attached, which can burn at near 40 feet distance. Let's see if we can melt through 1.5 millimeters of steel plate. Let's see if we can cook some bacon. Meat generally does not absorb infrared lasers very well, but when you have enough power, anything will burn. Even though this type of laser generally isn't good for cutting metal, it doesn't mean it can't, given there is enough power. I was surprised how much fun I had when I intentionally unfocused the laser. It felt more like a flamethrower. This next shot shows just how much power this gun has. Even with an unfocused beam of 2 inches wide, it still melts through steel. Now, let's try taking out this cheap drone in mid-flight. In just a few seconds, the laser causes the drone to malfunction and crash. Let's finish it off. For a moment, it seemed like the drone was trying to escape its death. Perhaps some sort of short in the circuit caused the propellers to spin. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see from this 1000 watt laser rifle.